What's going on, guys? Good morning. Good morning, baby. Let's go. GameStop's up pre-market. Tesla is down. How's everybody doing today? We're back for another week. Man, time's flying by, man. Oh, look at the G. Cry me a river, man. What's going on, Jen? Good morning, Jennifer. Cobb K. Azteca King. Good morning. What's going on, buddy? Alrighty, guys. We have a lot of news. I feel like we have a lot of news. All right, someone that watches soccer here has to explain what's going on. I love soccer, football, whatever you want to call it, and something's going on with the teams. Yesterday, I haven't really been keeping up with soccer. Seems like people are getting banned from the World Cup. Someone just tweeted about it. A new Super League is in soccer, some real Brexit-style drama and big money as JP Morgan loaned $6 billion for the new league. Probably not as much as needed for the shakeup. Guys, Doge has been holding near the 30 cents, the 39 cents. That's insane. We talked about this on Friday. We said wait for it to stabilize. Bitcoin took a dump on Saturday night around 8 p.m. here Pacific. It started collapsing. There was some money laundering rumors on Bitcoin. And who bought the dip on Bitcoin? What's going on, Osvaldo? Good morning. Dow Ninja. Tesla, yeah, Tesla's it's not at 420, but it has 720. It has 719.40. There was some news out over the weekend, devastating news. Two people passed away in a Model S Tesla. They were not driving apparently. Apparently, when the police or whatever arrived at the scene, no one was in the driver's seat. There's a lot of questions, a lot of speculation as to what really happened. I think they were in a cul-de-sac going 60 miles an hour. I don't understand how. First of all, I don't think you're allowed to do the autopilot or the self-driving unless there's somebody in the driver's seat present physically there. And and it's not. I don't think you're able to activate it unless there's lines on the road. It's able to detect it. They were like in some residential area going like 60 miles an hour. I don't know how you're able to go that fast. And they hit a tree. Yeah, they hit a tree. And that type of news, obviously, not the best type of news, unfortunately. Rest in peace. And the stock is down pre-market. You can't really do much about it. This is one of the risks that comes with swing trading. You're pretty much kind of stuck in it until pre-market. And by that time, it's already down to 717 pre-market. So Dogecoin is at 38 cents. Guys, I had a weird dream. I had a dream that Dogecoin literally hit $1.14. Like $1.14. That was a weird dream. I forgot to tell you guys. $1.14. Yeah, what's going on? Football teams from the UK, Spain, and Italy have decided to start an elite Super League, but there will be no promotion or relegation, so nothing to really fight for. Yeah, they said if they don't drop out of that, they're not gonna be able to play in the World Cup and whatnot. Yeah, what's Bitcoin at now? Let's see. It was like at 50. It's at 56 now. So it's down $900 in the last hour. Wow. You guys think there's more room for downside? 'Cause it's already bounced, man. It's already bounced. It hit 53 and I think it went all the way up to 57. It dipped again last night. Hmm. What's going on, Yap? God bless my mouth. Why? Did you toughen up your paper hands? They're a little soft still. Let's see what else. What kind of news we got? We got earnings this week. We got some pretty big notable earnings. I think Netflix is on the list. Snapchat is also on the list. Let's see what else we got. I think Peloton's down today. Pre-market. Yeah, Peloton's at 108. It's been quite a ride on Peloton. These stay-at-home stonks. 116 was the last time we were here on Friday. Now we're back down. If this comes down under on the daily under 100, man, it's gonna be a bloodbath. I can already kind of see it. How are our Viacom and Discovery doing? I know we don't have a position in these yet, but we're still watching these. It's been like 2 weeks and we have not executed on Viacom or Discovery. Oh, if Dogecoin hit 140, yeah, it was a weird dream, and it was 114. Yeah, Roaring Kitty has 200,000 shares of GameStop. You're still waiting for your Peloton bike? Let's see, what's the hype about? I've never really looked deep into it. Peloton bike. They're what, $2,000 for a bike? They have a store here in Pasadena, which is really interesting. Yeah, they start at 1,800 bucks, or you could do monthly for 50 bucks a month. New York-based Infinity Q is liquidating hedge fund as companies mispricing issues spread. Ooh, the domino effect. They take 6 weeks to ship. I did not know that. Oh wow, tomorrow's 420. Yeah, I forgot. Oh, tomorrow's also the Apple event. The Apple event. I think it's called Spring Loaded, if I recall properly. Spring is this Apple? Yeah, Spring Loaded. They're gonna introduce new iPads. Guys, what's the Apple Pencil? I know they have like a pencil, but I never really looked into it. Does anybody have that? Maybe a MacBook. So this one's also one that's been on fire. Apple has been really killing it lately. How's the Nasdaq? We have 5 minutes before market opens. Nasdaq slightly red. Okay. SPY. SPY's nuts, man. Let's see if we hit new highs this week. I know there's some mixed numbers on the vaccines and whatnot. I think half of like every I forgot the numbers. Let me see. Because I know we're also hitting record cases too. I think half of adults in America are at least received the one shot. Vaccine statistics. What's going on, Christopher? Ragnar. Star Cloud says good morning. Good morning, Star Clouds. She's not in here. Karina, good morning. Rafael, good morning. I heard about that. They Citadel and all others around were working all weekend. I know I read in JP Morgan their earnings. I think it was them or one of the bank stocks. They were working 100 hours a week. I think it was Goldman Sachs actually. Goldman Sachs. Apple Pencil is nice. What is that? What is the Apple Pencil? I never really looked into it. Did something happen to Peloton? Yeah, I saw it on the headlines, but I never really looked into it. Peloton, inaccurate and misleading. Hmm. Consumer Product Safety Commission warned people not to use Peloton treadmills around small children or pets. Guess that's why it's pulling on back. Something about safety issues. Yeah, the soccer news is still all over. CNBC's disgusted. Plans for breakaway European Super League met with widespread fury. Oh, what's going on, Thomas? Wow, Peloton really a little kid died because of that. Oh, rest in peace. Yeah, it's something that has to do with safety issues. It's not on here when I Google it. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is here. After child death, U.S. regulators say to immediately stop using Peloton treadmill. So it was the treadmill, not the bike. 2 days ago. That's the news there you have for Peloton. Similar situation with Tesla. Two people passed away over the weekend after they hit a tree in a Model S. But that one's they have a lot of questions about that one. Oh. All right, we have 1 minute. 1 minute before bell. Here we go. Tesla pulling back 719. You guys think Tesla could see 700 if there's more selling? More continuation on the downside? One meme to rule them all. Dogecoin outpaces cryptocurrency. Tesla stock drops after reports of fatal crash of vehicle with apparently no driver. See, that's the thing with autopilot. I don't think I'll ever trust a car to drive itself, no matter how safe they say it is or how stable I guess you can say it is. I'll never trust that. It's like it's your life, you know? Not being in control is not the best feeling. Don't forget Tesla. All right, here we go. 23 seconds. Let's go, baby. What's going on, Heath? 172 for GameStop. All right, get your ears ready. The bell's gonna be loud. All right, Tesla new low. Tesla new low. Tesla is dipping. Let's grab some shares. Screw it. GameStop pulling back 170. Guys, Tesla has earnings in 7 days. All right, this candle's going green here on Tesla. Good sign. GameStop pulling back 169. SPY sort of going up. Ooh, that's not good. Nasdaq slightly red. Hmm. What's going on, Rena? Oh, this is a little spooky here on Tesla. Under EMA on the 4 hour. Well, let's see. Let's see where this takes us today. Take me to the moon, Tesla. Take me to the moon, man. GameStop still pulling back 168. We've had some support around the 150s, so I'm not too worried. Even at the 150s, under sub 150s where I really add. It's kind of odd. GameStop's really weird. We already had this news for the CEO, the new CEO. So it doesn't really make sense to me on why it's pulling up. Oh, maybe because of the Roaring Kidney news too. I forgot about that. I forgot he has 200K shares. Tesla's spiking. I like that. There we go. We should have bought more shares, but we only have 5 shares. That's 719. It's 723, 723.65. We're bouncing, baby. That's what we need to do here on the 5 for GameStop. 724. Tesla might be beast mode today. Let's see. 1 million volume on GameStop. There we go. What's this Tesla you speak of? I only know Tesla. Yeah, I think Tesla's gonna be a monster today. All right, bouncing on GameStop 169. I'd hate to see Tesla just reverse on us right here. Let's see, what's Dogecoin at? Dogecoin is at 38 cents. Bitcoin is at 56.4K. The 10 years at 1.62. That one also dropped a bit, pulled on back. Why are you not getting back into AMC? All the indicators are better than before when you bought. What's AMC? As it following GameStop, I'm pretty sure. 957, yeah. If there's any reason why I think AMC would go up is because of GameStop. I think GameStop would carry AMC. Even vice versa, if it pulls on back, GameStop can drag down AMC. All right, GameStop still pulling back, 167. Tesla also pulling back. Ooh, the Nasdaq's ripping. Nasdaq is ripping. Looks like we might. Looks like it wants new highs today. And Tesla's not really following. Doge Army guns for meme coin to hit 69 cents on Tuesday in honor of 420. This is one of the best article headlines I've ever read. 69 cents for 420. Tesla pulling back still. We're back to break even here on Tesla. Let's see, what is Twitter saying? What is Twitter saying? Any breaking news? Yeah, Dogecoin to hit 69 cents on 420. Oh, what happened with Club? What happened with Club? Clove. This one was up Friday. There was some short squeeze speculation on this one. Ihor was tweeting about this one on Friday too. I'll pass on that one actually. All right, Tesla, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You're back to pre-market levels, pre-market lows. It's trying to bounce again. And yeah, how will you think Tesla will do for after a will after Tesla had a fatal accident with its self-drive error? Tesla themselves have not commented on this. They've been quiet, so I don't know what they're gonna say. But earnings is right around the corner on the 26th in a week from now. It's on a Monday too. Usually Mondays are some of the best performing days for Tesla out of the week. Even last Monday we had that ridiculous rally. But as of now, it seems to me like this article, this headline, this accident is really holding Tesla down. We're not seeing so much upward pressure momentum just yet. Let's wait and see. We have a full-on trading day. Harley Davidson's up. I think they have earnings too. Hog is their ticker. 45 bucks. GameStop 167 still seeing resistance at EMA. Yeah, Mr. Me, from what it looks like Tesla's going for new lows. We're not seeing a bounce. We're back to the same 718 level. 717 low on the day. And Nasdaq is still pulling upward. Still ripping, baby. There we go, Gary. What's going on? This is the only thing that scares me slightly here on Tesla as I was overbought in the 780 level It's now retracing back. So even this catalyst is something that could send it back to some support levels of 690 where we were first originally going to scoop up some shares. So there we go. New low on the day, 716. 715 still selling off. GameStop 168. See, let's grab 5 more shares. Let's see if we pull them back more. 715.38. Where are we going to bounce, Tesla? Good morning, the Arctic. That's up to you, Mario. I mean, I can't really. All right, 713. Let's add some more. 7. It's bouncing. It's bouncing. Damn, I missed this dip. That's up to. I was gonna say that's up to you, Mario. Back to 715. The question still remains: how much lower can we pull back this morning on Tesla before we actually see a reversal? We've had days where we just sell off and don't bounce to like an hour from now. So let's wait and see. GameStop shooting up above EMA 170s. Let's go. Let's get that V recovery on on GameStop. All right, 712. It's a little scary buying here. It's under EMA on the 4-hour, but let's see this bounce here. Let's see the dip and rip, baby. So right now we have 10 shares of Tesla at 717. Not too crazy. Are you not watching AMC anymore? I'm still watching it here and there. For the most part, I think it's just gonna follow GameStop's price action. So unless there's some massive catalyst on AMC, it's gonna really pretty much be in the hands of GameStop. Victor, good morning. What's up, buddy? Tesla has a gap fill. No, Tesla has a gap to fill at 660s. That's where we first wanted to buy. As of now, I'm just buying here on the dip, seeing if we can catch a bounce. But as of now, it seems to me like this headline is really affecting Tesla, just creating overall some panic. 712s. Look at this. No bounce just yet, guys. Looks like I won 700 today. We're down almost 4% on Tesla. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Watch out for these lower highs on GameStop. 711. Damn, it looks like we're really going for 700. It's a really aggressively selling off right now. Tesla new lows as we speak. 711.22. I have my button on the buy button, baby. Oh, I don't like this candle on GameStop. But we've seen worse on GameStop. 710. Tesla's just off my charts. We bought 5 more shares here. Tesla's really sinking, guys. 709. Looks like we're going for 700. It might get a little bloody under 700, so buckle up. If you're buying the dip on Tesla, this one's aggressive. This one's very volatile today. I like that. I like the volatility, but we're going the wrong way. Buy that dip, baby. No news yet? GameStop, AMC, no. 708.12. Sundial. Yeah, I forgot about Sundial. I haven't really been trading any of the Snoop Dogg songs. AMC is about exciting as watching paint dry. That's another reason I got out is due to the volume, man. It's stuck. It's stuck. Come on, Tesla. You need to have an aggressive bounce, baby. Let me see that bounce. Stop buying until she gets sub 700. What's going on, Danny? How are you? Good morning to everybody. Roy and Kitty tweeted? Oh, no, 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 no. Somebody replied to him. Yeah, there's a lot of foot on Tesla today. All right, let's see how Nasdaq is holding on in there. Let's move this really quick just to get some more space on the screen. Nasdaq holding near the break even. We're slightly down on Nasdaq. Let's see if we can go for Meta Green. SPY 416. Viacom. Discovery hit a new low today. Wow. How's Neo dragged down? No, Neo's doing the opposite of Tesla today. The opposite. Yeah, guys, Tesla's looking spooky. Wants a new low. It wants a new low. New low, 708.10 on this red candle here on the 1 minute. Happy birthday. Whose birthday is it? Oh, Dante, happy birthday. All right, let's take a quick glance at Dogecoin. How's Dogecoin doing? 38. Also, that Bitcoin dump, I forgot. That Bitcoin dump is definitely going to weigh in on Tesla. 100%. Bitcoin's at 56.7. Dogecoin is at 38. I read about that, the little helicopter on Mars. It's like what was it, 4 pound helicopter? Yeah, guys, Tesla's not looking strong. This is an ugly candle. Ooh, 705, new low. These are some weak candles, man. Should we buy 5 more shares? All right, let's get 5 more. We're in with 15 shares. We're down 150 bucks on this aggressive sell-off here at the open on Tesla. Let's wait and see for 700. 700 is knocking on the door, baby. Oh, 704.26. 703. The sell-off continues. I feel like at this point it's just panic. There's a lot of panic right now. I heard about that. The Webull launch. We were talking about that last week. How we weren't able to trade Dogecoin on Webull, and they had some news out. They launched their beta for Doge. So you know what that means? We're gonna sell all our WPF and YOLO it all on Dogecoin. Is that a smart move, or is WPF going to the moon? Yeah, Dogecoin is pretty. It's holding nicely, guys. That's one thing I'm really surprised about. Oh, Tesla bounce. Tesla's bouncing. 702 to 705. Tesla's going to the 670s. Yeah, if it comes under 700, that rug pull is gonna be ugly. But that's gonna be pretty much determined. That 670 level is gonna be pretty much determined on how hard we bounce here. If there's no balance, no sign of life, no sign of support, we're gonna sink today. Are you stepping down as CEO of WPF? I should send them an email. All right, we're back to Tuesday levels as of last week. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Looks like we're bouncing, guys. This is the beast waking up. Let's see a rip to 711. We need 711. Oh, this candle's nasty. I don't like it. I don't like it, guys. Me don't like it. Dogecoin 38. It's bouncing around 38 still. Let's see. What happened to a Tesla in a tree? There was a Model S with two people, one in the passenger and one in the back. So there was no driver, and it rammed into a tree. I think they were going like 60 miles an hour in some residential area. And there's questions as to how they were able to activate autopilot with no driver, and how they were able to go that fast in such a small area like that. So they unfortunately passed away. Rest in peace. And Bitcoin also dumped. So those were two negative catalysts, I guess you could say, that also affected Tesla. That's why we're down 5% today. Yeah, Tesla has yet to speak about that. They have yet to make a remark on that accident. So I wonder if they will, but let's see. And that's almost just like a self-fulfilling prophecy. Once they see the stock gapping down, they start seeing it sell off market open. It's just like, it's gonna trickle down. People start to sell, they start to panic, and we bought. We're in 15 shares. Holly takes aim at Google, Amazon, and new bill. So there's like a new bill to break up big tech companies. Google. Interesting. Nasdaq. GameStop 166. Looks like we're gonna come back down here to test some support levels. That resistance at EMA is there every single day. Let's at least hold above 150. Let's try to hold the 160, like the 160 level. It looks like Tesla found some slight support near 700. It's like a cheek clenching support level around the whole number of 700. It's a little spooky, I'm not gonna lie. But let's see where that bounce is. We need more of an aggressive push, baby. On the 5 minute, we're at 707. Look how far we dipped under the EMA. EMA on the 5 minute is at 716. And as of now, it's not looking the strongest. GameStop pulling back as well, 164. What's going on, cupcakes? Now I should grab 5 more shares. If it cracks under 700, let's buy more. Keep in mind they have earnings too. Very, very mixed week already. Starting off the week. Very mixed. Breaking up with the company through email. All right, Tessa, this is your chance right here, baby. Just shoot up. 709, come on. There we go, there we go. Nope. Doesn't want to. It doesn't want to, Darth. It's really playing with us right now. It's indecisive. It's like, should I come down or retest these lows at 702? One thing's gonna happen. It's either gonna push up to 710, 709, or it's gonna sink back under 700, and it's gonna hit new lows, and it's gonna get real bloody today. It's gonna get bloody, baby. So let's see what happens. There we go, Tessa. Come on, baby. 708.46. We're about to test EMA. We're about to test EMA. All right, there we go. We're testing EMA. Break, 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 break. Don't go red. Don't go red, baby. Come on. Good morning, fam. Don't tell me Clav is still pushing. Wow. Is this the next GameStop? The short interest on this one was ridiculous. Damn, this one caught my attention again. Uh, could be a big short squeeze. 144%. Those were GameStop numbers too. This is the same percent as GameStop. 150%, right around that level. Ah, damn. All right, here we go. Round two on Tesla. Round two on Tesla. Just rip, baby. Just rip. Come on, Tesla. You have earnings, man. You should be at $800 right now. You should be at 800. Skills, yeah, SKLZ was one we had at watch. It was at $17, I believe, when we started watching it. Why I did not buy? I saw this double bottom and this massive downtrend on the 4 hour coming off the highs of 46. It's just plain out downtrending. On the 1 minute, there's not a lot of volume. Damn it, Tesla, you're not ripping yet. You're not ripping. Oh damn, Ralph, did you see Finto added a short squeeze score? They're trying to copy S3 Partners because S3 Partners has the same thing. They have a short squeeze score. Let's see. Let's pull a fake tail. I don't even want to go on Finto anymore. I get bad vibes just opening it. Let's see. Where is it at? Where's our short squeeze score? Features, short interest data, companies, screens, short volume. All right, let's see. Let's pull up Clove. GameStop 167. Again, let's try to hold these support levels. Where's it at? Tesla won't hit 800 today. The fact that they haven't released a public announcement on the how why the vehicle can self-drive without having to wait a driver. That doesn't make sense. That story doesn't make sense. But of course, this was like any news headline. People are gonna, you know, they're gonna get a little emotional and panic still sometimes. Which there's nothing wrong about because Tesla has yet, like you said, they haven't said anything. Short shares on GameStop 0. Let's pull up Club, AMC, and GameStop on Fake Tell. Let's see what they're showing us. Come on. Oh wow, Clove is showing. Oh, I see it. Short squeeze score. Take a look at this, guys. Take a look at this. This is new right here. They added a short squeeze score. Higher numbers indicating a higher likelihood of a short squeeze. But then again, you have to keep in mind, look what it says here. It's designed to include data from other brokers or dark pools. It's a small sample. How accurate is this number? Probably not that accurate, right? So 63 squeeze score, but look at this. 0 short shares available on Clove. The fee is NA, not applicable. All right, let's go back to. It's not this one, it's this one. Let's go to GameStop now. All right, Tesla's pushing up. Looks like it found some support. Tesla always does this. It scares you right around the whole number and then it bounces. GameStop short squeeze score is not. It's right under Clove's at 61. 0 short shares available. Very low number. Again, fee NA. All right, let's take a look at AMC. What's AMC's? So we're in the 60s for the scores on GameStop and Clove. 73. This is way higher than GameStop and Clove. But there's 500,000 short shares available. Higher number than Clove and GameStop. Holy smokes. Is this AMC? Guys, look at this fee. This is an all-time high. I think the last time I covered the fee was at 14%. This is insane. It's at 18% now. That is nutty. I gotta give it credit. That's nuts. Again, how accurate is this? I don't know. Let's pull up Ihor on Twitter. What has he said? Because his fees are right around the numbers that Finto is showing. Doge Army is trending on Twitter. What's Doge at? 38 still. It's holding right around 38. How it feeling tomorrow? It's gonna pop due to 420 hype. AMC, I like that. It's holding around 950s. Tesla, come on, baby. Come on. What's our average price? We're in with 15 shares at 715. We're down 69 bucks. But who cares? We're probably gonna hold to our earnings. Let's see. Unless we fall under 700 and cut our loss, I could say it was a pretty well worth play. FOMO setting in for what, Doge? Yeah, it's crazy seeing Doge hold these levels. I'm pretty surprised. I'm pretty proud of Doge. I like that for sure. Yeah, Neil's climbing nicely too. It's not following Tesla today. It says, screw you, we're going to the moon. 37. This is when I was willing to add right around the low 30s based off the 4 hour. It looks like we found some support around 34. 34 bucks seems to be the support. I know we have a couple catalysts here. I think they landed a partnership. Shanghai Auto Show, Neo GM Toyota more. When is this? April 21 to 28, open to the public. Guys, did you guys see that new Mercedes-Benz EV? I gotta give it to them. That's one sick looking EV. It gives me some S560 and Maybach vibes. Let me see, Mercedes EV. Similar interior to the Maybach. Take a look at this. So right off the bat, this looks like a CLA 250. A more futuristic CLA 250. This is insane. This is beautiful. White interior. Oh, that's all they have? Where are the pictures, man? I forgot where I saw the other pictures, but it looked beautiful. There we go. I like that. Yeah, Mercedes never disappoints, man. As much as I love Tesla, that Mercedes interior beats it by a lot, by far. Victor says he's making stupid money with Doge. I almost sold in February for small profits. How glad I held. You're still holding, right? C4 Silva says Club is a fake short squeeze, but it's over 1050 now. Yeah, it could almost become a fulfilling prophecy, a self-fulfilling prophecy. Sundial's up 16%. I'm eating gummy worms for breakfast. That's the breakfast of champs, baby. GameStop 167 still. Tesla still forming these higher lows. I like that on the 5-minute, baby. We need another rip. We need one final extension to 716. Convince me you're going up, baby. Come on. That 69 cents Doge Army for 420. That's a goated headline. I haven't checked the Viacom, no. 32K Doge at 2 cents. Wow. All right, let's check Twitter. Any breaking news? No updates? Viacom is looking better today. Double percent. But you know what happens every time we're up green on Viacom? Just like we did last Wednesday. We went from 40 to almost 42 bucks, and look, we dumped to new lows on Friday. So I'm not rushing Viacom or Discovery. Like I said, I think these are stocks that are gonna take probably a month or two to actually pan out and play out and print some tendies. But patience, patience, patience. Let's see where Tesla first and foremost takes us today. I'll check Viacom on the short squeeze score. Yes, I will. Let's take a look. Viacom. I know we have a couple stocks on here. Let's see. This is so confusing. $60. Last update was late March. No, there you go. It's a 60. Let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla's gonna be like 40 something. Yep, 43. All right, Tesla's back down to 704. I don't like this. Pretty ugly triple red candle. Oh, don't tell me this red candle's gonna hit a new low. Oh no, it's not good. It's not good at all. No bueno. Guys, I have a feeling it's gonna go under 700 today. It might be a bloodbath on Tesla. Seems like earnings are just out the window. Dogecoin under 38. It's at 37.378. I have to use the restroom. Damn it. Come on, Tesla. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Sub 700? If these stop losses go off here at 700, it's gonna get ugly. Here we go. 701.10, 701, 700. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? Stop losses 750, 720, 05, 04. Here we go. What is it gonna do? Oh, 302. There, 700 flat. Look at the volume candle on this. This is nuts. Massive volume on the 1 minute. 699.37. You think so? You think people are waking up and reading the store and just like dumping it? People are saying so. One Tesla. Oh, this is actually Squawk Square. Oh, this is a parody account, right? They're saying so. One Tesla crash is responsible for 25 billion in market value. It makes sense. People are trolling. They're saying you're gonna hate it when it hits 400. These Tesla bears. All right, we're sub 700, guys. We hit 694. Yeah, that's an ugly sell-off. How's Nasdaq? Oh, this is not gonna help Tesla at all, man. A Nasdaq pullback will not help Tesla at all. All right, 694. We're down to the lows again. We are. I think it's gonna get bloody, guys. Get ready. Buckle up, baby. We're about to hit a new low. All right, new low, baby. 694.36. Guys, I have a feeling tomorrow Tesla can really bounce back aggressively. Let's buy 5 more shares here. All right, we're in with 20 shares of Tesla 709. Pretty, not the best average price, but with that news headline, earnings coming up, Bitcoin collapsing, it's gonna be a wild ride, baby. A VIX, what is it? 17 bucks on the VIX, 1733. Wow, we had a pretty solid gap up on VIX. Yeah, if Tesla hits 400, man, time to load the boat, baby. 670 incoming. Yeah, they're about to be new lows as we speak. Or is it gonna bounce? Where are my Tesla dip buyers, man? Where are my Tesla dip buyers? I know there's people waiting to get in cheap. We're down 6% today on Tesla. Yeah, she's dropping hard, yeah. But like I said before, even on Tesla's days where it's aggressive and we see these massive pushes up 6, 7%, it's similar on the downside. You'll see the same aggressiveness on the way down. Just as we see on the push upward, it's similar on the way down. So just keep that in mind. Yeah, and this Bitcoin pullback doesn't really help it at all. Bitcoin is down 4K on the week. Oh no. Yeah, there's a bill to break up big tech that just came out like a couple minutes ago too. And Google doesn't, it's not really phased. Amazon pulling back. Netflix has earnings too this week, I believe, and is pulling back as well. Yeah, today looks like a bloodbath. 693 for Tesla, still dropping. Look how fast it's dropping. My chart can't keep up. There's no space. This 5 minute is disgusting. 692. Looks like we're going for that gap fill, guys. Right around 670s. All right, let's see. See what people are saying about Tesla on Twitter. There are no driverless Tesla. Stop the FUD. Uh, the Texas accident that involved the Tesla has created an opportunity to buy a discounted price. Mm, mm, mm. GameStop curling up slightly behind our back, 169. Like I said, if we can hold 160 on GameStop, I consider that a win. Doge is going to the moon now. It's at 37.80 still. Still at 38. All right, seems like here we go. Tesla's giving it another shot for a bounce here on the 5 minute EMA as a 709. Literally our break-even price, 709. All right, I'm gonna go to the restroom really quick. So hopefully I come back. GameStop's at 200 bucks. All right, we're back. Had to get my little probiotic pills. Alrighty, Tesla, don't tell me you're gonna have 700 resistance. That's not good. All right, here we go. Ugh. Everyone is finally waking up. Spice crashing. Oh, 415. We're down 0.5% on this one. This is why VIX is pushing on up. Oh no, what's going on with Nasdaq? Like we talked about last week, I expected a pullback coming soon. I think this might be the start. Dow pulls back from last week's records. U.S. stocks start with the decline. This is not good for Tesla at all either. But there's days where Tesla is its own beast. It doesn't care what the overall market does. Chair pump. Let's see. Bitcoin 56.3K, still pulling back. You guys see this? We're still seeing resistance at the EMA on the 1 minute for Tesla. Earnings, man, it's right around the corner. It's Coming. It's coming, baby. If you guys are enjoying the stream, baby, I'd appreciate a thumbs up on the video. Not sure how many dislikes we have, we have today, but it seems to me like the trolls are dipping. The trolls are gone. Let's outnumber these fools. 696. Come on, bounce. Nasdaq new lows as we speak. SQs are printing. Man, I wanted to buy some SQs last week, but I didn't really want to risk it. The market could have pushed on higher. I could have gotten wrecked on SQs. TQs are dipping. 108. GameStop still holding 169. How's my Tesla? I'm getting wrecked right now. I'm down $256. I have 20 shares at an average price of 709. Hashtag buy the dip. Let's wait what happens. Let's see if Tesla speaks up and releases a press release on something about this accident, fatal accident in Texas. All right, GameStop second leg up, bouncing off EMA 169. We're at 171. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I appreciate that, Gonzalo. I love all the stocks you're covering today. There's a market out there, man. Like I said last week, there's a market out there other than GameStop and AMC. There's a lot of stonks. All right, Tesla, this is your second chance. We're holding around 696 for Tesla. This is way oversold, man. Look at the 5. Let's keep up with the 5. My 5 is literally almost at the break-even price of 709. 5 minutes right around 708. Let's get that bounce, baby. Still seeing resistance. All right, what do we have today? What earnings do we have today? IBM has earnings today. I think United Airlines too. Yep. Earnings today for UAL. This is not good, Tesla. You're seeing resistance. You're not bouncing. There's no strength, guys. Oh, damn it, Tesla. Tesla needs to say something, man, about this accident. That is not good. This accident happened when? Saturday? I think it was Saturday. The fact that they have not said anything is not, it's not good. It's not good. I should double down when it gets to 670. I can kind of see a W here, but it's kind of choppy. Like this W sundial. Finally, sundial's not barcoding. SPY found some support right around 415. Nasdaq still continues to dangle near the lows. Bloody day today. What a Monday. What a Monday. All right, Tesla, here we go. Looks like he found some life. Looks like people are buying the dip. Come on, baby. Come on, you're due for a bounce. You're due for a bounce. I can't see you bleed anymore. Come on. All right, we're back to 700, 699. Come on, baby. Just rip. Alrighty, I like the support here on GameStop around 170s. If we hold 170s today, you guys call that a dub? I would call that a dub today. After fighting the 150s, we need to go back to the 180s. What's going on, William? There's a lot of accidents every single day. Yeah, it's a lot of it's mostly panic, you know? They see the stock gap down. It's just like I said, self-fulfilling prophecy. People start unloading the boat, driving prices downward pressure, and we buy the dip. So, but it's like that meme when it's like when you buy the dip, but it keeps on dipping. That's the situation we're in right now with Tesla. Nice price, 155. At 169 still, so let's hold these levels. Mm, 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 mm. Hate that meme. It happens all the time, man. Like when you're buying the dip, you have to realize you're pretty much catching a falling knife. That's exactly what we did on Tesla. And look, it still pulled down to 691. So you can never really time the top or the bottom. Sometimes you'll get lucky. Like on Tesla, last week we bought the dip when it was really at the lowest, and then we sold into the rip. I did not know that I was the lowest. You just never really know. It's almost impossible to catch and sell at every single top and buy at every single dip at the bottom. So yeah, my nape smashing my keyboard. Yeah, you just have to hold along, man. Hold along and just see what unfolds for us. See what Tesla says about this accident, this fatal accident. Michael Burry's betting against the market. Yeah, he warned us. He warned us a couple months ago. It looks to me like Tesla's holding the 696 right under 700. If this breaks above 700, man, I think we could see a bounce. We're back to 699. Come on, Tesla. Eat up the news, man. Catching knives is a skill. I like it. I like catching falling knives and just selling to the bounce. Alrighty, here we go. We're flirting with 700, guys. It's indecisive. It wants to bounce, but then it doesn't. Oh, you're gonna hop on the VIX call hype? The VIX call train? I'm getting in with the VIX doing call options for June to September. Yeah, those June, July open interest calls around 25 strike for the VIX was nuts. Let's pull it up. Let's see, Yahoo options chain. Got the wrong way, Yahoo Finance. All right, Tesla, here we go. Make or break, baby. 699.50s. GameStop also pushing up to 171. I like that. I like that. Get it immediately sold off. Options. Let's go to June 16. Yeah, Tesla's not having it, guys. No bounce. This is the VIX for June 16. Calls for June 16. Look at $25. The open interest. 46,000. $30, 109,000. 42, 40. This is nutty. Let's take a look at July. July 21st. 32,000 at 20. You got 250,000 at 25 for July. 240,000 at 40 strike price. That's nuts. AMC's pumping, following GameStop. Yeah, AMC shooting up 966. So it seems to me like AMC wants to hold around the 950s. 950 seems to be that new level of support. It's up 3% today. Like I said, I think it's in the hands of GameStop, which GameStop looks prime to rip right now. The triple top here at 171. It just wants to rip right now. I could feel it. Come on, GameStop. It's ready to rip. Come on, come on. Don't get rejected. Doge is looking good. Let's take a look at Doge. What are we at? Oh, wow. We're back to 38. Let's refresh this because it's not ticking. It's back to 38 cents. Bitcoin's at 56.2. Let's see. GameStop once again back to 699, 698 levels. It wants to break so bad. It's found some support there. Let's see. All right, here we go. Here we go, GameStop. I mean, Tesla. Even GameStop, too. Both want to pop. Both stocks want to pop. And GameStop, come on. It's right there, 171. We're at 171. I have a feeling it's just going to break out aggressively to 172. Why is it seeing resistance? What's the volume on GameStop, guys? AMC 970s? Yeah, it's breaking above. GameStop and AMC have the same patterns. AMC had what? The triple top at 960s. GameStop has the triple top at 171. There we go. It broke out. Simple technical triple top breakout. Again, another one breaking out above 700 is Tesla. Here we go. Here we go. Bounce, baby. I think GameStop's going to carry AMC today. Both having very bullish patterns. Bullish breakouts. I like it. I like it. Yeah, the VIX, man. There's some big whales, some big bets. 4 million. EMA on the 5 is 705, 704 for Tesla. It's a little aggressive here. GameStop is looking a little aggressive on the candles. I like that momentum. I like that volatility. We need to hit a new high. It's a new high on meme. It's a new high on meme on GameStop. 174.24 pre-market high. Let's see this candle extend above that. Let's see it. Let's see it, baby. All right, we'll go live for 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna come back. Power hour. We're still holding our Tesla. Let's see where Tesla takes us today. Hopefully back above 700 and holding there. Here we go. GameStop, a new high. It's not a meme. 174.87. I haven't got some Doge yet. Not yet. April 19. Yeah, new high is not a meme. Keep a look at AMC following GameStop. That's interesting. That's interesting. I think AMC's going for that $10 close today, guys. AMC's going for that $10. GameStop is pushed to 200 today. It's a long shot, but like always, we believe. Tesla, come on. WHO committee recommends not requiring proof of vaccination as a condition of international travel. Yeah, Roaring Kitty's probably up. What was his price that he added? We're on 155, right? I forgot his screenshot. The AMC still pushing. Pulling back. Let him find some support. Let him find some support. I think GameStop is also going to pull back here on the 1 minute. Let him find some support where above the previous resistance, which in this case is right around 170. 170. So let's wait and see. Tesla's still playing with us. Doesn't know what it wants to do. It's back to 699. Let's go for another rip, another extension. 700. Here we go. Push number 2. 780. Who bought the dip on Tesla today? I'm curious. Who here bought the dip on Tesla? See, it's so indecisive. It doesn't, it doesn't know if it wants to hold 700 or pull on back. GameStop says he bought Tesla. There we go. All right, guys, I think we're gonna end it here. We'll be back power hour. Hopefully, by the time we come back, Tesla is at, let's see, around 710 or break even price, maybe even further. Let's see how strong and aggressive this bounce can be. We're back above 700. GameStop. One thing we talked about before, guys, when GameStop was aggressive and it was a monster, it did one thing. What was this thing? Bouncing off EMA on the pullbacks. And what are we seeing right now? Bouncing off EMA on the pullbacks, usually 2 to 3 red candles. And look, we're bouncing. We're about to hit a new high on GameStop. A new high is not a meme. If you're holding AMC, watch GameStop doing the same thing. Look, 2 red candle pullback and bouncing off EMA. They're trading together again, like brothers. So we're gonna end it here. Let's see, we see one final rippy. Let's set our alerts just in case it dips even further. This is the alert I don't want to get, sub 692. I don't want to be out and about and it says new low on Tesla. I'm gonna be like, wow. I think Tesla will bounce aggressively. The Toby, I think Tesla is gonna bounce aggressively. Hopefully you guys have an amazing rest of your morning. Remember, I'll see you guys on later, and peace out, baby. See you guys later.